Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a Paint With Me project, creating this welcome to my happy place. Now, I did share a wreath recently that I created for a sweet lady. She wanted something for her craft room that says, welcome to my happy place. So let me show you how I painted this circle so I could use it for my wreath. Okay, the circle is a 10-inch circle, and I find these over at Hobby Lobby in the unfinished wood section. So I'm just going to use my white paint and go ahead and paint it white. And I think it took 2 coats. Now, when I start my painting, I always paint the sides first, and then I will paint the top. This is one way I like to add some character and do a background. I'm using this color pink with my fan brush and just kind of going up and down with some lines. I didn't want to get it too dark and I didn't want it to be too light either, so you'll see me go back over it a couple different areas. I love to do some shading on my projects, so I'm using this milk chocolate brown by Americana and then just dipping my paintbrush in some clean water and blending it on the paper towel. I am doing some shading around the whole circle. Now for my hand lettering, I like to use this brush. I will try to find the name of it or the number. And then this Delta ceramic coat paint. It's just what I have in my stash. And so then now I'm just kind of trying to figure out where I want to, place my lettering. I kind of do like a ghost lettering, just kind of don't have any paint on my paintbrush and I just kind of go over it and just kind of see. That has helped me all of these years so that I don't run out of room for my project that I am writing on. Another paint I like to use is puffy paint, and I just put it around the outside of wherever I feel that it's needed, that I want to emphasize and also just add a bit of character to my project. Adding a bit of highlighting to each of my letters is another thing that I like to do. I just use a contrasting color and I will just go along the outside of the letters. I like to do a little bit of splattering to my projects. I don't care how old this technique may be. I did have a comment on one of my projects one time that that was a very old painting technique, but you know what? I like it. And so depending on what I'm doing, I kind of, you know, it kind of depends on how heavy, what color I use. And so, you know, if I like it, I'm going to continue to do it. This is my favorite varnish. I will have a link to it in the description below. I do get asked this quite a bit. What varnish do I use to seal all of my projects? And this by far is my favorite one. Okay, and that is how I create my little signs and how I did this particular one. It looks so great on this welcome to my happy place wreath that is going to be hanging in someone's craft room, and hopefully she will enjoy it for years to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comment. I appreciate all of your support by liking the videos and also sharing them if you don't mind. And if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and God bless.